Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It is Friday, November 10th. And you know what we do at the end of the day on Friday when the closing bell hits, right?
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
That's right. Close the door. The week is over. And as I had shared yesterday, we had that first little hint with that red close, the red close below the open there on Thursday. Yesterday, you had the entire week. I'll get to the VIX in a minute. The entire week's range, the entire week, 49 points is what the week is. All yesterday. I was wrong with my calculation on the 50-day moving average in the email being around 43, 47-ish because it is dropping more significantly than I had anticipated, and it was down at 43.40. We did not hit it yesterday. Instead, we closed right at 43.47. Safe edge, bring you on to that quickly. Safe edge yesterday not only broke, but closed below it, which are indicators that I make on my tracking. And while it broke the safe edge, while it was closing below the safe edge, we were not playing that safe edge. Thus, breaking or not breaking that safe edge doesn't mean shit for those of you who are struggling with the concept to understand that when we play the safe edges, they pay every single day. You might not get the credit that you want yesterday, day before. It's only 20 cents. They pay every day. So we are closing red, 43.90, 43.85 spread, $3 or better for every person on the planet. Didn't need to be pre-market, could have been right there during the regular market. Full credit. $3 risk. Sorry, $2 risk, $3 credit. $3 on $5, that's a 150% return. The other 2 days, we had to close them early. Yesterday, again, full credit because of the fallout. And I threw out my trade that if you wanted to get involved with the puts, it's a little bit safer. It is not the safe edge. The 43, 41, you muppet. What the hell is wrong with you? 43.35, 43.40s. 75 cents, 80 cents they were getting. Quite obviously, 43.40, closed at 43.47, full credit, 20%. Want to bring your attention and make it very well known, okay? QQQ. QQQ, again, red day, big red day, decent red day. Not significant enough. Still not pushing on that 367. Currently not risking a red week. It's possible. It's very possible. But at the moment, not risking a red week. Looking as if we're going to have another green week. No minus 1% yesterday, so nothing out of the ordinary. The retracements coming off of this bounce, the 23.6 is at 367.14. I'll show you in a minute. We're not even able to break down below 367.84 during the course of this week, and I'll get to that again in a minute. The new moon is on Monday, November 13th. Monday of next week is your new moon. On Tuesday of next week is your CPI. You got two things coming at you that are saying, boom! That's right. As I've been trying to emphasize, this is a bear market bounce. I see absolutely zero evidence, especially having run 7% on 8 green days, having broken every single Elliott wave rule that there is written on the world. Elliott wave is not, the 101 only way that you can change oil in a car or change tire. But it is one of those ones that you look at and you say, you know what, if I steal this, I'm probably doing something bad, even though I'm not going to go to jail. 100-day moving average unable to touch. Gap unable to fill. Right to the October highs. Right to the October highs. And then a shitstorm. Bullish wave 4. Very, very possible with the final little push up for that, finishing this off up in the 4400s next week. Possible. Possible. But we'll get to that in a minute. SPX. So we have gapped up every single day since the beginning of time, or sorry, October 27th, when the lows were placed. And we closed red yesterday. We're up 3.5% on the month, 16% year over year, and we are up almost 13% on the year. We are risking a red week. We are risking a red week, closing below 43.64.27 today. Now, I want you to consider that. You had 2 hammer down weeks in October, 118 points, 93-point week. The entire month of October disappeared within, call it right there, 8 days. 50-point ranges all the way through, very controlled drop. Now, suddenly, we've had this 7% bounce, 290 points to the upside in the reversal of that, 9 days, and we're going to put in a red week. Boom! Hello, McFly. So, 43.25 is very significant. It's your 23.6 retracement of this bounce. Very obviously, 43.40 lowering down, which will now be at your minus 10% from the all-time highs at 43.37, is going to be significant, because below that is your gap from Friday. Your gap from Friday, which is 43.34, 43.17. So guess what? Here's your IWM, your Russell 2000.
You can't give us some financial support. Okay, please give us a credit and we will give you back money after the war.
Every single day of the week, red. And what is it saying? Boom! That's right.
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Red, 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 red. And then on the other side of it, when you come over to your Bucky Larson on Viagra, green, 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 red. With your QQQ. Still holding above your 367.84. Still well below what needs to be adjusted, which are the... this needs to be changed as well. But still holding extremely strong above where it's been supporting the entire week. So nothing to fear with the QQQ, and the reason being is you have your big monster NVIDIA. NVIDIA. I feel bad for anybody who doesn't buy 500 calls for next week. Don't complain when you see it trading up at 500. Some people need a big hot glass of shut the fuck up. 475 broken. Boom. And what happened? Right back down to 468. We started the week talking about 468, 475. Reality comes when reality comes, and reality came. And here is Tesla. Tesla failed to get back up into that ER gap and absolutely liquidated yesterday. And that liquidation process from Tesla right to that 207.50 is what all went over there into NVIDIA. And because NVIDIA weighs more than Tesla does, everybody thought, holy shit, we're going to the fucking moon. Well, guess what? You're not. In fact, the VIX, and today being Friday, is quite significant. Number one, we are back at 1542. Number two, Fridays crush the VIX. That's what happens. We weren't getting that during the middle parts of October. Friday came, we exploded on the VIX on October 13th, right after we put in the top on the SPX. The next Friday came, we didn't crush it, but we didn't go higher. And then we went up to that big 2308, right up to that 2263, right to that 2274. And that's when the sell down came. And then again, here, end of the month Friday, when Israel might as well be the same fucking thing. Israel got the green light to go into Gaza, and the VIX did not crush, spiked. We dropped down to 4103, hit the trend line once again, and since then have just been eating shit. Last week, Friday, we did crush the VIX. Here we are down at 1542. This is what you got down below your 1542. Make this manual and change this to 16.22 because that's what matters. This is all that you have below 1622. You've got visits in August, some down here in June, some down in July, down below 14. Guess what happens every time you get down below 14? All you're doing is buying yourself a couple of days, and then you're going to get your turn. And then you're going to get your spike back up. So again, VIX here, 1542, nothing to look forward to on that. But more importantly, I will bring you over to the rest of the world. And the rest of the world is fucking red, 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 red. Nobody's selling off, but everybody's red. And because Monday happened, we made money. Tuesday happened, we made money. Wednesday happened, we made money. Thursday happened, we made money. After we make money today, you need to remember.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right?
Well,
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, Let's go. What?